What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? We have a FS40C. This is a Stihl string trimmer with a curved shaft. That's what the C stands for. And he used it a couple times beginning of the season, missing a breather cover. And it quit him, and he hasn't been able to get it started since. So, he said that a couple of times he did use it, it ran great. I say we set up and we see if we can get it started. How about that? All right. All right, I hope that works. Let's try it out real quick, see what we get. Got my Rock Bros bicycle clamp going on. Got plenty of fuel. The filter is on and is submerged. Got the dinosaur cocktail in there, as per Terrell. So let's see, we don't have a throttle stop there, so we got this choke. Hit the bowl. That's functioning properly. I do not see any leaks. Let's just jerk it, see what happens. Okay, I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, but it is very, very quiet, okay? What that generally means is the arrestor screen is stopped up. Let me show you what it looks like over here. Right, she'll start, seems to run fine, she'll idle. But when you try to give her gas, see how nasty we are on this end of the spectrum? We'll grab you a flashlight. And hopefully it isn't too bright, but looky there. Oops, sorry. This is a product of using the trimmer at very low RPM, right? These things are designed to run. If they do not run, they do this. They soot up, plug up. They don't ever burn off, okay? So what we'll do, I will get set up. We'll get the spark arrestor screen out of there, and I'll show you the easiest method to clean it. Welcome back, you beautiful people. Let's get some of this shit out of our way, okay? Got a T27 on my DeWalt. So you just remember that these machines are designed to run at 11,000 RPMs or so, you know? And if you just put them around all the time, then this is what happens. It's a very simple fix. No damage is done, but nonetheless, it can be very annoying. See all the buildup right here around the exhaust area? Look at that. Just pure filth, and that won't happen if you run the machine like it's designed to run. I think I can get to that. Let me get a regular flathead screwdriver. Maybe too big. No, there we go. One thing that's nice about this is the screws these come out easy because they're oily. We should be able to just grab it and pull it out, but we may need a needle nose. once I get this out, we'll start it back up and I'll show you the difference, right? We haven't done anything to it except this. Come on, man. My pair ain't gonna cut it. Looky there. Huh? Yeah. Nasty. Can't see anything through it. Look, I even hold it up to the light. You cannot see. Y'all able to? Yeah, look at that. Uh-huh. Alright. Get set up and I'll show you how I clean these. Alright, let's see if I can get this here torch going. Come on. That old fan's kind of blowing it around. That's all you gotta do right here. And this is what running the machine wide open would simulate. I mean, really hot exhaust temperatures, burn this carbon off. That's it. Just gotta cook it. See all that crap just blowing everywhere? It's that easy. You can kind of see it still stuck to it, all the ashes. And the inside of that exhaust, this stuff will build up on it too. Now what we'll do there, we'll let that cool off a little bit. We're through with the heat. We'll let that cool off. And then I should be able to just take my air hose and blow all that crap out of there. Not a problem. Once we get this thing clean, then I'll show you the how it runs. See there? Good and clean now. See that? Yeah. Good and clean. Okay. We'll set that down. Lever B. And since it's only 3 screws, let's slap this cover back on. And we'll fire it back up. Super simple fix. It's like sticking a potato in the exhaust pipe of your car, right? I mean, it can't breathe. If it can't breathe, it don't run. It can't. You can suck it in, it just can't get rid of it. So, constipated. All right, let's try this again. We won't have to choke, I don't reckon. Should be kind of warm. Just like that, problem solved. Okay. All I gotta do is slide that screen in there, and I do believe I can finagle that screw back in. Already cooled off. Just like that. Yeah, start this by hand. Come on. I got it started, but I think I'm gonna have an extremely difficult time. Let me get a small screwdriver, maybe. Oh yeah. Just like that. All right. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you lovely people on the next one.